Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Here's my first vlog about modifying my KTM RC 200. Before you start doing anything on your bike, you should always make sure it's super clean. I always start with the chain first because it's the most greasy and grimy part of the bike. Here I'm using the Motul C1 chain cleaner spray, but you can use any other brand like 3M as long as it's compatible with the X-ring chains, and all the KTMs come with the X-ring chains, at least in India. Start by spraying the chain links from the inside, then spray on the outer side. You can use as much spray as you like as long as the chain gets completely soaked in it. Let the chain absorb the cleaning agent so it can get degreased properly. Never ever use kerosene or diesel or petrol to clean the chain. They will damage the rubber rings inside the chain. Now you can start soaking the bike. You can use pressure washer or normal water hose. I always clean the chain afterwards using water jet. It takes away all the grime with it. Make sure not to use too much water pressure as it could enter the X-rings and damage the chain. Now the fun part begins. Don't forget to wash the underside of the tail. Use a suitable microfiber wash mitt to wash the bike from top to bottom. Make sure the soap never dries on any panel, otherwise it's gonna leave stains on it. Once every part of the bike is washed, it's time to rinse it with water. Now's the time to dry the bike. Using a microfiber towel, wipe the bike from top to bottom. You can also use a blower to get all the water out from the hard to reach places. That's it for this time guys. Thanks for watching, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.